Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty and personal care products. Today, we're diving into the world of dry shampoos with a focus on one of the best offerings from Redken. Get ready to discover why this product is the ultimate choice for refreshing your hair between washes. If you're someone who's always on the go or looking to extend the life of your hairstyle, this is the product you've been waiting for. Let's dive right in. So, what makes the Redken Deep Clean Dry Shampoo stand out from the crowd? Well, let me tell you. This dry shampoo offers maximum oil absorption, giving your hair that fresh and clean feeling, even on the third or fourth day between washes. Whether you have oily roots or just want to extend the life of your style, this product has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the benefits. One of the key advantages of using the Redken Deep Clean Dry Shampoo is its ability to remove heavy oil buildup while providing a cooling sensation for your scalp. Say goodbye to greasy hair and hello to refreshed locks that last for days. Plus, this formula is fragrance-free, making it suitable for all hair types and preferences. Wondering how to incorporate this miracle product into your hair care routine? It's simple. Just hold the bottle 6 to 8 inches away from your hair and spray it onto the oiliest parts, focusing on the roots and throughout your hair. Then, gently brush through to remove any residue, and voila! You're left with clean, refreshed hair that's ready to take on the day. And it's not just customers who are raving about this product. Hairstylists and experts also swear by its effectiveness in refreshing and revitalizing hair between washes. With its unique formula featuring rice starch, tapioca starch, and vitamin B5, it's no wonder this dry shampoo is a game-changer in the world of hair care. Well, there you have it, folks. The Redken Deep Clean Dry Shampoo is truly a game-changer when it comes to refreshing your hair and extending the life of your style. So why wait? Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest beauty and personal care products. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.